Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into a question that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Is there a free Spocket plan? Now, I know you're probably excited to get started with Spocket, and I get it. It's a powerful tool that can really help you grow your e-commerce business. But before we get into the details of whether or not there's a free plan, let's take a step back and talk about what Spocket actually is. What is Spocket? In a nutshell, Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. This means you can sell products without having to hold any inventory yourself. All you have to do is find a product you want to sell, add it to your store, and when someone buys it, Spocket will take care of shipping it directly to the customer. So, is there a free Spocket plan? Unfortunately, the answer is no. There is no free Spocket plan available. However, they do offer a 14-day free trial, which gives you a chance to test out the platform and see if it's right for you. What are the different Spocket plans? There are 3 different Spocket plans available. Starter plan. This plan costs $19 per month and gives you access to basic features like product search, order management, and shipping. Pro plan. This plan costs $49 per month and gives you access to more advanced features like tiered pricing, product customization, and abandoned cart recovery. Premium plan. This plan costs $99 per month and gives you access to all of the features in the Pro plan, plus additional features like priority support and dedicated account managers. So, which plan is right for you? The best plan for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. If you're just starting out, the starter plan may be a good option. However, if you're looking for more features and functionality, you may want to consider upgrading to the Pro or Premium plan. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, there are also some other costs to be aware of when using Spocket. These costs include product costs. The cost of the products you sell will vary depending on the supplier and the product. Shipping costs. Spocket offers a variety of shipping options, so the cost of shipping will depend on the shipping method you choose and the destination country. Transaction fees. Spocket charges a transaction fee on each order. Overall, Spocket is a powerful tool that can be a great asset to your e-commerce business. However, it's important to weigh the costs and benefits before deciding if it's the right solution for you. So, there you have it, the answer to the question, is there a free Spocket plan? While there is no free plan available, Spocket does offer a 14-day free trial, which gives you a chance to test out the platform and see if it's right for you. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.